Hi guys, and today don't care about that. I don't have. I'm armless. Okay, look at that. Okay. Anyways, let's go start with that. So I'm gonna show you how to get more coins. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look. I have lots of money. You will see. Wait, let me just. Okay, why? Okay, look. It's right here, right there. You can see it. Yeah, it's right here, but it's like 1218. Yeah, in the corner. Okay, in the corner. It's in the corner, right corner. But okay, I have arms again, and let me just get these. Perfect. This is where I grind some money. In 3, 2, 1. EB is an alien. He's kinda spacey. Coming back to universe to party and go crazy. EB is an alien. He is kinda spacey. Yeah, okay, whatever it is. Whee! Oh. Bro, that was a helicopter. Oh, bro! That just freaking landed perfectly. What the heck was that? Now let me just okay, I'm hurting myself, you know. But anyways, let's go get some money, cause I love money. I'm not gold digger. But anyways, let's go get some of these treasure. Yeah. Oh yeah, vector. Alright, let me just. Whee! Let me just. Jump. Let me just get in. I didn't get him. But I'm gonna show you all of these builds. These builds are. Yeah, probably. You know what? I'm copying Shanray. I'm copying Shani to make him angry at all. But anyways, let's we have mech. I copied this from YouTube. Sorry about that because I'm not good at building, but I'm good at the million program building. Yeah, I don't know about that, but let's go start. Let's go. Let me just like this and like this. Wait. What the heck am I doing, bro? Alrighty, and now we just need to put I'm just gonna put some cake, you know. Yeah, let me just put some cake. Oops, Snoopy. Perfect. And now let's go start with our own unique attack. Wait, let me just how do we do this? Okay. Alright, what the heck? What the heck? I think it's broken. Wait, let me try again. It's copy broken, you know. But okay, let's try again. Bro, why is it so freaking broke? Look at that. It's so freaking broken. Look at there. Bro, it's so freaking broken. Look, it's broken. He. I don't know. Let me delete that all. But anyways, let's go do it again.
No, my brother.
Let me put some like, you know, cakes again. But it works from chairs too. It's good. So chairs are more good than cake because you know, I don't know, but
My dear.
oops. Let me just yeah. Wait, let me put it right here. What am I doing? Whatever it is. What? What? Who the hell did that?
Seth,
What?
i-report ko ni lalaki.
I don't care.
Aww.
Just, I'm busy, alright?
Why you're busy?
Make recording, why not? Yeah, it's still broken. It's still broken. You see that? Yeah, you see that. I forgot to. Okay, you know what? I forgot to put glue on my leg, which is kind of stupid. Let's pause that. This will took a while. All right, so guys, now it's ready. Now, let's go start with me. What the heck are you doing, Mina? What, bro? Get out. Anyways, this is not my frick. Get out! This is not. Get out, please. Get out. No! Get out! What the heck? You stupid, get out. Bro! Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's what I saw. Leave! 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 Okay. Now you left, don't ya? Finally. Hey, stop. Bye. What? What the is he exploding? Where the heck is he going? Where the is he going, bro? Where the is he going? What? What? I'm so confused. God. Get out of my face, boy. Oh my God, bro.
Oh, this is my friend.
Hey, don't you dare. You ran out of fuel, don't you? You ran out of fuel. You're about to die. Ah, yeah, this guy sucks. Wait, I have idea.
By the way,
Wait, I have idea. Shit. Oh my God. Okay, you think you can try get me, bro? Try getting me. You think you can beat me that easily? Oh no, I think he's out of fuel. I think he's out of fuel, don't you? You're out of fuel, don't you? Okay, what's... So it's like kind of a stupid Mina name. What the heck is that name? Mina Sham. What the is that name, bro?
profile. Yeah, because I'm gonna.
Well, I don't know who started racism anyways. What? Who left these blocks here? Oh wait, this is mine. This is fucking mine! It's fucking mine. Oh my God. It's fucking mine, bro. I said frack. Anyways, I'm not saying. Anyways, I'm not. What? 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 What the frack? What the frack? What the heck? What the heck? Oh my God. Wait. Let me just get some Spider Mac. Cause okay. Perfect. Now let's go troll some people with this little thingy. I don't know. Yeah, I played this so many times. Let's go troll some of people. What are you doing? Okay. Yeah. Now let me just walk into the never mind. This is the wrong way. Let me go in the other way. Cause it's my own day. Let's go in this place. And okay. Now let's go troll some people. Oh shit. Oh, I'm dead. Nah. Don't you dare. Oh, I'm out of here. Bye bye. I'm dead. What the heck am I doing, bro? Let me. What? Let me just go in there. Try again.
I got
Okay.
banned again.
What? What? Why?
Why?
Try again. What is your password, anyways?
I love my family. Oh, thank God. Whew. Uy.
Wait, that's aviation.
Yeah, I know.
Remember Phil? That's your racism friend.
Yeah, I know.
You know what does racist mean?
I guess I don't know.
You don't know what does racist mean?
I guess.
It's like nigga. Toot.
Ayo, why?
Don't touch me.
Oh,
Stop that suck,
why?
bro.
That's
That's
I'm gonna just type.
the
Boss
fuck am I
Jello.
doing? What the heck? Stop it. I don't like any of these. What am I freaking doing? I'm like stupid or something. What? What am I doing? I was about to troll someone, but it's kind of pretty broken or something. Let me just, I gotta go now. Bye-bye, cause it's, already, wait, what time is it? 9:42, I guess. I don't know. I gotta go sleep. Bye-bye.